In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Outlook, Office 365, to Nutshell CRM. By the end, your Outlook emails will flow right into Nutshell, so you can see conversations on contact timelines and send messages directly from your CRM. First, sign in to your Nutshell account. Once you're in, look to the lower left corner of the screen for your user icon. Click that, then choose your settings. This is the central place where you'll control how your email works with Nutshell. Inside Settings, open the Email section and select Send. You'll see an option that says Set up email with Nutshell. Click that to begin the connection. This tells Nutshell you're ready to link your mailbox so you can send messages from your CRM using your real work address. When you're prompted to choose a provider, select Office 365. A Microsoft sign-in window will pop up. Choose your Outlook or Office 365 work account and sign in as you normally would. If your browser is blocking pop-ups, allow them temporarily so the Microsoft window can appear. After you sign in, you'll see a permissions screen. Approve the permissions so Nutshell can securely send email from your address and show your conversations in the right places. This doesn't change your inbox or your address. It simply authorizes Nutshell to work with your Outlook account. Once the connection is successful, you'll turn on syncing so your messages appear on contact timelines. Go back to your settings and open Sync Email. Find your connected address and toggle Email Sync to On. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. Depending on the size of your mailbox, it may take a little time for the first batch of conversations to populate. After syncing finishes, you'll start seeing your emails appear on timelines for the contacts and companies you're working with, giving you a complete history of communication without jumping between apps. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you're using the correct work account when the Microsoft window opens, especially if you're signed into more than one Microsoft profile in your browser. If you don't see the sign-in window, check your pop-up settings and try again. And remember, you can return to your settings at any time to review or adjust your email integration. That's it. You've connected Office 365 to Nutshell and enabled email sync. Now your Outlook conversations will automatically enhance your Nutshell timelines, helping you stay organized, responsive, and focused on your relationships.